Yes. Why don't you come here? So this way. أشهد
أشهد
أن لا إله
أن لا إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن محمدا
أن محمدا
رسول الله.
رسول الله.
I bear witness
I'll be a witness
that there is no God
that there is no God
to be worshipped
to be worshipped
but Allah.
but Allah.
And I bear witness
I'll be a witness
that Muhammad,
that Muhammad,
peace be upon him,
peace be upon him,
is his worshipper
is his worshipper
and last messenger.
and last messenger.
MashaAllah. You really mean what you say.
Yes, of course.
Now this is a real heart.
أسلم الآن.
شيخ what do you say about that, Sheikh?
والله
عجيب.
we were just talking about it 2 minutes ago.